So today we will discuss about the Ansible role. Okay, so Ansible role and also discuss the Ansible Galaxy and do some small project like how to install Tomcat using the Ansible role. Okay, and also we will see how to deploy our WAR file from S3 bucket to our Tomcat server using also the this role Ansible role and also use the Bolt Ansible Bolt to uh, encrypt the our S3 bucket access key and secret access key. Okay, so this thing we will do today. So let's understand what is the Ansible rule. So Ansible rule are good for organizing tags and encapsulation data needed to accomplish those tags. Okay, so Ansible Galaxy is sorry, the Ansible rule. Okay, so here you can see the Ansible rule. So this is the role we will create it means this is the folder. Okay, so inside the folder these things are present. This is also folder tags, handler, library, file, template, var, default, meta. These things is folder, and every folder having the main.yaml file. Okay, so it's very actually simple. You don't need to create those file. Okay, so actually what happened if you will do some you want to uh, tax. Okay, suppose you want.
Sorry,
Hello,
screens,
hello,
screens,
hello.
screen. I talk
Okay,
about
okay,
screen.
okay. So if you want to uh, perform some tasks, so you only go to the particular this folder. Okay, uh, for the tax folder, go to the tax folder and execute means write your tax in the main.yaml file. Suppose you want to give some variable. Okay, so go to this variable folder and write the variable in the main.yaml file. Okay, so how we will automatically created this role folder. Okay, so the better solution is Ansible Galaxy. So what is Ansible Galaxy? Ansible Galaxy is a website where user can share role uh, and okay, just a minute. I think I did not share my screen. Okay, just wait. Okay, can you see my screen? Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So Ansible Galaxy. So you can see this thing. This is the Ansible role. Okay, and this Ansible role in the Ansible role folder. These are the folder. Okay, like tags, handler, library, files, templates, var, default, meta. So inside each folder, it's having a file like main.yaml file. Okay, so how we will create this folder and automatically this file will automatically create. So it's very simple using the Ansible Galaxy. Okay, so Ansible Galaxy is a Galaxy website where user can share role and to a command line tool for installing, creating, and managing the role. Okay, so Ansible Galaxy is a command line tool to create a role and managing the role. This thing we can use by using of the Ansible Galaxy. So how we will use the Ansible Galaxy? By using the this command like Ansible hyphen Galaxy initialize init and the role name. Okay, suppose you want to do any role, suppose you will tomcat. Okay, you will install the tomcat, so you will simply give the Ansible Galaxy init and tomcat, then automatically tomcat folder will created inside this folder. Okay, inside this tomcat folder, this thing automatically created means tags, handler, library, and also inside the tags folder main.yml file also created. Okay, so let's go to the terminal and see this Ansible Galaxy, how we will create this. Okay, so uh, let's go to my terminal. Okay, now this is not okay. So this is the my master machine. Okay, Ansible master machine. This time out. Just wait. Okay, let me log in. Okay, so first you have to go to the etc Ansible. Okay, go to this folder, and you can see there is two files like ansible.conf and host. Okay, so inside the ansible.conf, let me show you this thing is present means uh, I have set up the bold password. This bold password automatically fetch from this location. Okay, I have already saved, means created this file. Okay, and save the password. So here we will do all the rule based performance in this folder. Okay, where the slash etc slash ansible. So let's do sudo ansible hyphen galaxy galaxy init. Okay, and the rule means we will do the install the tomcat. Okay, so let me do the name like tomcat. Okay, so press enter. Okay, you can see role tomcat was created successfully. If I will do ls hyphen l, you can see there is a tomcat folder created. Okay, so let me install the sudo yum install tree. Okay, what happened? Sorry.
Spelling mistake.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so do ls hyphen l and tree tomcat. Okay, so you can see this thing inside the tomcat folder. There is a default and automatically created a main.yml file. Okay, and file handler, metadata, tags, tags, inside the tags folder automatically the main.yml file also created. Just I showed you in the this ppt. Okay, you can see I just created means inside the role means. Okay, means inside the role means it take this is the slash etc slash ansible. Okay, inside that the app one let it be our tomcat. Okay, and when we will do these things means sudo ansible galaxy initialize init and tomcat, automatically this tags, handler, library, and automatically also the main.yml file also created. Okay, so what I will do, I will, okay, just okay. Okay, so now we will install the tomcat. Okay, so let's go to my GitHub repository. So this is my GitHub Ansible repository and install Tomcat. Okay, so let's understand the code first. Okay, you can see here. This is the tags. Okay, so this is all the tags. First, install the required packages. So in the required packages, you already know the Tomcat is running using the Java. Okay, so we have to first install the Java. So this is the I am using the yum module, and inside the yum module, the package name. This is the package name, and state is present. Okay, present means it will install. Then same thing, install the required packages, like it's a install the Amazon Java 17. Yeah. Okay, it is also required file, that's why it will also require to install. Then it will set the environment. Okay, set the Java home environment. So the inline and the destination, this is the destination path, means the our where node server path. Okay, and in this it will create a environment. Okay, this is the present to create a environment. Then what it will do, create a Tomcat directory. Okay, so it will create a Tomcat directory where in the opt and Tomcat. Okay, this Tomcat folder will create it and give the 755 permission. Okay, so this folder automatically created in the our host machine and give this 755 permission. Okay, then download and okay, so download and extract the our Tomcat. So here we are using the Tomcat 8.9. Okay, let me edit this one. Here I am using Tomcat 9. Okay, save this. Okay, so a download and unarchive the Tomcat. So unarchive means this is the source, means where it will download. This is the path to download. Okay, and the destination is already I have created this folder. By this already I have created this folder opt slash Tomcat. Inside this it's on archive. Okay, on archive and remote srcs, and this is the extract. It will, by this command it will extract the our tar.gif file. Okay, then this is the command to start the our Tomcat server. Okay, so we have this thing we will do using the Ansible rule. So let me copy these things. Let me copy the only the tags. Okay, only the tags things. Just copy this one. Go to our master server. Okay, time out. Just wait. Okay, log in again. Okay, and go to ct/etc Ansible. Okay, and inside the Ansible there is a Tomcat folder. Go to the Tomcat. And in the Tomcat, let me tree. Okay, just go back. Tree Tomcat. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to this tags folder and edit this uh, what main.yaml file. Okay, so let me copy this again. Okay, and let's go to sudo vi sudo vi Tomcat and the tags folder and the main.yaml. if I will do enter, it automatically show these things. Means already the triple hyphen is present. Okay, and these things also mention the tags file for Tomcat. This is the tags file. So it's indicating like the comment. Okay, so press enter and paste the tags. Okay, so you can see I have only paste the tags. Okay, nothing these things where this thing I did not use, like host name, command sorry, host name, connection, this thing don't use here. Only go to and the folder, tags folder, and paste the text in the main.yaml file. Okay, just save this. Hmm. And what now we'll do, we will create a file. Okay, we will create a file. Let me first do ls-l. Okay, here I will create a yaml file. How? Sudo pi tomcat dot yml. Okay, press enter, and I will provide this thing in this file. What is this thing? Okay, so the host, I have already created the host. Demo become true, become yes. Okay, connection ssh connection, and rules means the folder name. Okay, just when we will create the Ansible Galaxy and initialize and the role name. Okay, this role name you have to mention. I have mentioned the Tomcat. Okay, Tomcat folder, that's why I have mentioned the Tomcat role in the Tomcat. You can see if I will do cat again, cat Tomcat.yml. Okay, you can see this is the Tomcat folder. This is the role actually. Okay, inside this role I have mentioned this role here. Means what will happen when I will execute this file, means the uh, this tomcat.yaml file. Okay, when we will execute this file, it will take this host. Okay, and execute this role. Inside this role, what will present? Okay, it will execute. So let's execute this one. So the command is ansible hyphen playbook. Okay, and the tomcat.yaml. Okay, press enter. Okay, what happened? Hmm, okay, so there is some mistake, indentation. Okay, go to inside this. Let me copy these things. Okay, spelling mistake, connection. Connection. Okay, connection become true. Okay, fine. Save this and again execute the playbook. Okay, first it will gather the fact Tomcat installing required packages, means it will install the Java. Okay, it will automatically take from the our tags folder. Okay, it's changed. It's downloading. Okay, first created the Tomcat folder, then it's downloading, and automatically it will unarchive this tar dot folder. Okay, now it will everything is done. Okay, so if I will go to my uh, uh, AWS account, and this is my node server. Okay, Ansible node server, go to the security group and edit this security group, like whitelist the port number 8080 8080. Okay, so save this rule and details, copy this one, paste it here and give 8080 press enter. Okay, you can see the Apache server is now running in where, in the Ansible node machine. You can see this thing. Okay, so we will just see the how you will use the role things. Okay, let's go to the advance. In advance means, what we will do, we will do to download the S3 bucket content, means the war file. Let me go to the S3 bucket, then I will show you. Okay, just wait. Okay. Okay, so copy this one. Sorry, select this one. So this is this war file is present in this bucket. Okay, so our aim is to download this war file and deploy to our Tomcat server. Okay, this thing, this is actually a real-time project by using the Ansible, how we will do the continuous deployment. Okay, continuous deployment by using the Ansible. Means you I think you have already, means I have already showed you in my YouTube video. Okay, so let's go to this video.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Suppose that node machine is different, like your module and Ubuntu.
Mhm.
How apply that condition?
Condition, I have already covered this condition. Okay, I have already
Yes.
covered
In
this condition
marking in role section, how apply?
in the tax section. In this tax, okay, we will just give like this condition. Let me go to the condition. Okay, you can see this one, this condition only tax. This is the tax only. Okay, you have just to put the tax, whatever the tax you, this tax. Okay, when we will write this YAML file, there is a tax section. Just this tax section automatic, this just segregate this just segregate the tax section to the this file, means the tax. Tax, inside the tax folder there is a file main.yaml. Just put the value
Okay.
there. Okay, got it now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
so okay. Hmm. So you can see this, I have already showed you these things. Okay, upload the artifact on AWS S3. So what will happen is that actually a real-time project when we will upload the artifact in the S3 bucket. uh, then this artifact is stored in S3 bucket. Then it's a artifactory. Here we are using the S3 as a artifactory, and how we will continuously deploy our Tomcat server. Now our Tomcat server is our node machine. So by the help of the Ansible, we can continuously deploy in our node machine. Okay, so let's go to and do the performance here. So first, uh, what we will do, let's follow this documentation. Just go, I will share this link, this documentation. Go to the Ansible and apply the artifact. Okay, so I have already installed the Galaxy. It's automatically installed in the new version. It's automatically installed. Don't worry. And also install the pip. Okay. Let me install this pip install d down means download means it will download from the Google Drive. This thing is present. I have already kept these things python.ph file in the Google Drive. So you have to first, if you will follow this documentation, you have to download these things. Let me go to and paste it here. Press enter. Okay, it will download. Then go to the okay, go to this and download the file. What now? Python dot sh. Okay, paste it here. Press enter. Okay, so it will download. If you will do ls-l, there is a python.sh folder is there. What its content? Okay, it's actually a script. So in this script you can see, let me do ls-l. Okay, in this script you can see install the developer tools and dependency. Okay, it will it when we will use the s3 bucket, these are the dependency. Okay, in your
Hello.
master machine. Hello, hello. Okay, so in the master machine, these are the dependency. You have to first install it, like sudo yum gcc. These things you have to install. Okay, and the python 3.7, you have to install these things. Okay, and also install the uh, pip, python pip and buto 3. Okay, buto 3 and buto core. It's actually a dependency. If you will don't install these things, then we cannot access the s3 bucket. So uh, I have put these things in a script and just run the script. Just give the permission. Okay, press enter. Okay, fine. Then
Hello.
yes, yes, then
And
execute
the
the
playbook.
command. Okay, yes, tell me what happened.
Nothing
Hello,
network rules. I can't hear your voice. That's why I'm asking.
hello, voice is breaking.
Your voice not come before, and that's why I'm asking. Maybe
Oh,
network
okay,
problem.
okay. Okay, so I think the network issue. That's why. Okay, now
Yeah.
it's executing all the command inside the script. Just wait, it will install everything. Buto 3, Python, all the dependency. And similar thing we have to install in the our node server. Okay, it will take time. Just wait. Now everything is installed, like Buto 3. Okay, and Buto core also installed. Now let's go to the document. Just a minute. Okay, now go to the document and download the YAML file. Download the YAML file. This YAML file will execute in our node server. So copy this one and download the YAML file. Okay, so it's downloaded. You have to, you can see this dependency file is downloaded and execute the. Okay, before execute, let's go inside the YAML file. Vi dependency. Okay, you can see the host is demo become yes and connection is ssh, and these things we have to this is the dependency. Actually this thing we will uh, this dependent. Okay, let me go down. Okay, fine. So this dependency I have already installed in the Ansible master by using the script. Okay, and this thing also installed in our node server. So by using this Ansible playbook, we can install this thing, like download Python 3.7. Okay, and Buto 3, Buto core. This thing we will install in our node machine. This is the actually dependency. If we will don't install this thing, then we cannot connect to our S3 bucket. So let's uh, apply this playbook. Ansible hyphen playbook and the playbook name dependency.yaml. Press enter. It will also take time. Means how much time? That time it's uh, take a this time same time it will take also here. It will also do the same thing. The script do in the master, okay, and the playbook will execute in our node. Just do it. Okay, now it's installing the Bhutto 3 and Bhutto Car. Okay, fine. So it will execute successfully. And okay, so what we have done here, we have uh, install the dependency in the master as well as in the our node machine. Okay, in the master server we have using the shell script. We have used the install all the dependency, and in the node server by using the Ansible playbook we have installed in our node server all the dependency. So now what we'll do, let's go to the folder, the etc Ansible folder. Okay, and let's create a role here. How we will create a role? The command is sudo ansible hyphen playbook, sorry, not playbook, galaxy. Okay, I need, and give the name like S3. Okay, if you will press enter successfully roll S3, and if I will do ls hyphen l, you can see there is a folder created S3. If I will do tree S3, press enter, you can see similar things, it's present. Okay, so can you suggest me what I will do? This is the actually the code. If I will go to this deploy, this is the actual the our yeah what our the YAML file. Okay, so what I will do here, can you please suggest me the next step? Hello. Okay, we will just see this one, first understand this one. Okay,
Open that file.
sorry, hello.
You copy the file for AWS S3 to debug
Yes, yes,
S3.
yes. So what we will do, let's understand this file first. Okay, this is actually variable. We have
Yeah.
take this variable like AWS underscore access key and underscore key. This is the secret and the bucket name, and this is the region. Okay, this is the region, and you can see here. This is the tax. This is the tax name, copy file to S3. And this is the module, AWS underscore S3. This is the module. Inside the module, AWS access underscore key. Then that means we have used here is the Jinja template. Uh, this is this is the Jinja template. By this Jinja template, we have passed the variable. In the variable section, we can see here this is the same thing. This is the same thing, and whatever this thing is present here, it will automatically assign to this. This is the using the Jinja template. It's this similar thing, and this is the object, Means we have to provide the war file name and the destination is this one. We have already known it, actually tomcat web app underscore the var file, and get mode is get. It will automatically copy to the, means give the permission, okay, copy to our this folder. And registry means we want to debug these things. Whatever the uh, whatever this output will come, it will debug and it will show the here. Okay, I think you we have already seen this thing, debug thing. Okay, so let me go to the copy this tags. Okay, copy this tags things, and go to this, and vi sudo vi s3, and where you have to go tags. Okay, and main.yaml, press enter, insert, press enter, and paste it here. Okay, and here we have to do one thing, just provide the .war file name. Go to my s3 pocket, copy these things, copy, and paste it here. Okay, paste it here, and also paste it here. Okay, save this one. Huh? Okay, so now what we will do, uh, we will go to the our variable. We have mentioned the variable sudo vi s3 slash var. Okay, there is also folder var. Inside the var there is a main.yaml. Okay, so go to this. Okay, and copy this variable thing and paste it here. Okay, just set the alignment. Okay, and we have to provide the AWS access key. Okay, just remove this one, and go to the, here is the my access key, paste it here, and also secret access key, copy and paste it here, and the bucket name, here is the bucket name. Where is the bucket name? This one is the bucket name, paste it here. And the, again, the region, I think this is the same region. Let's go to the region. Okay, AP South one, I think this is fine, AP South one. Okay, so I have saved this one, and uh, you have already known, actually this is, we have provide the AWS secret access secret key and secret access key. So this is the very sensitive things, and we have to what we have to vault. Using the vault we have to encrypt these things. Okay, so how we will encrypt? Let's go to this folder s3, and var. Okay, and this is the main.yaml file. If I will do the cat, you can see this thing is, you can see. Let me encrypt these things. Okay, how we will encrypt? By using the encrypt ansible, okay, hyphen vault, ansible vault space encrypt, encrypt space the file name. Okay, give the sudo. Okay, successfully encrypt. If I will cat these things, okay, sudo, let me sudo cat command. Okay, you now you cannot see these things. Okay, so okay, one thing you have to notice, this is the what, this is the in the root user. It's we have to give the permission to our ec2 user. So the command for that is this command. Just copy this and paste it here, press enter. Okay, now we can see this is in the ec2 user. Okay, if it will not ec2 user, it will not execute. Okay, so let's go back. Hmm. Now I am in my the S3 role folder. Okay, in this role folder, we have to create another YAML file, sudo vi s3.yml. Okay, so press enter and okay, copy this, paste it here. In the role, we have to mention like S3. Okay, and connect connection. Okay, connection. Okay, so if I will I want to uh, add a role, like I want to uh, tomcat. Okay, so can you tell me what will happen if I will do this thing, tomcat and s3? Okay, and execute this one, what will happen? Can you tell me? Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
Yes, I
Yeah,
have mentioned the two role here, like tomcat and then s3. Then what will happen?
it will execute.
Execute the first tomcat. Okay, execute the tomcat role inside the tomcat folder. Whatever the thing is present, it will first execute the tomcat. Then it execute the s3. Okay,
Yeah.
so save it. Okay, so can you tell me one thing? When I will give like what? Give like the Ansible Vault encrypt. That time it will not ask me the password. Automatically it will take.
Yes.
So I have already kept the password in the configure. I have already configured this thing. If I will do, you can see I have already saved it in the configuration. This is the configuration, and I have already configured these things. Okay, bold password. Then this is the my file path. Okay, so that's why it will not ask me the password again and again. So now, if I will do Ansible hyphen playbook, okay, and S3, press enter, gather the fact, okay, fast history install, okay, 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 download the, again it will download, and unarchive the Tomcat 9. Okay, now go to the tags folder, okay, and download and copy the things, and it will give the message, debug message is set true. Okay, changes is true, uh, not failed, get the operation complete. Okay, it will give the message like, if I will go to the, okay, let me, this node server is time out, just a minute. I will go to cd slash opt, okay, tomcat, and web app, web app. Where is the web app? If I do ls hyphen l, okay, the permission,
So,
that means sudo su, okay. If I will do, okay, ls hyphen l, you can see this is the web app. And if I will do ls hyphen l, then this file is automatically copied here, okay. So in this way we can continuously deploy to the our node server, okay. So
yeah.
this is all about the today's class.